Good morning, student. Today I bring a new lecture on marketing management. Marketing management is most dynamic subject in the field of business management and commerce. You know that if you're going to see the employment opportunity in present context, the more job opportunity now we have in marketing field and in financial sector, जिसको fintech new definition is a fintech. Both are emerging field, and the marketing and marketing management is not unknown term for the student of commerce and business management. So this lecture specifically will be helpful for the student of business management UG and PG level and commerce BCom and MCom, and other student and other faculty student can also follow this lecture for updating their knowledge in the field of marketing management and emerging field of marketing management. This is we term here new challenges for contemporary marketing. In the contemporary marketing, new concept or dimension is emerged, which is termed as neuro marketing. NEURO, neuro. By the term neuro, you can remember the term when you studied biology in school level. Neuro is a neurology, neurosciences. Basically deals with the human brain anatomy. Neuromarketing is most debated, most discussed field of marketing in contemporary world. Most of the multinational companies, foreign companies, e-commerce companies.
Good morning, student. Today I bring a new lecture on marketing management.
Giving more important
The subject of marketing management is very common for
neuro
business management and commerce student at UG and PG level. And it is most dynamic subject and field of study today, as well as
traditional marketing tools and technique is different from neuro marketing. If you're going to see and observe that the traditional marketing tools and technique basically focused on external behavior of target customers. And this basically how their target customer can be influenced. The data and information basically gathered through survey, expert views, agency reports, and repeated buying behaviors of our target customers. So, traditional marketing is basically a theoretical approach. And in this approach, we don't have any scientific base and inquiries for analyzing likeness, dislikeness, and also anticipating the change in human brain and mind regarding their consumption's behaviors. It is basically focused on external buying behavior of our target customers. So somehow we have seen that particular marketing tools taken by a company for the promotion of a product, the product may not be get much popularity or bring much attention of their target customer, and product is failed. Sometimes company performance drastically fall and they might be averse to the closure or shutdown of their operations, and huge loss is faced by the company. So that's why there is a paradigm shift in the theories and approach of marketing management from the traditional to the modern. And there is a different kind of approaches, theories, models are available, and most of the models based on scientific inquiries and research. One of the such model and approach of marketing is neuro marketing. Neuroscience is basically concerned to the human brain anatomy. As you know that in our human brain cortex, this is a geographical space, different kind of nucleus are responsible for controlling various kind of activities. And these activities of our external activities, these activities controlled by brain instructed to the mind. For example, one of the nuclei is hippocampus. Hippocampus plays a significant role in developing human memories. Similarly, amygdala determine the fear triggerness of the people. Like number of terms and nucleus are there, they overall responsible for different kind of human functionings. And this each of the nuclei control different by a specific type of functions. As we know that mind is what the brain does. This is a popular saying. Mind is what brain does. So the human brain is most important part of present marketing research. It is a emerging subject, most focused subject today. How to decode, how to anticipate kind of changes, kind of activities, kind of sensory actions going on in the human brain. By right decoding of that activities, through the brain mapping, we can better understand the target customer behaviors and their likeness, dislikeness, consumption habits in advance. This information is very, very crucial and precious for the producer of a product or services. They incorporated these valuable informations about their target customers in time of design and development of product and services. So if it is done in advance, then definitely that product and services will be catch the target customer attention, and the product and services will definitely run fast in the product and service market. So in a word, we can say traditional marketing based on top to bottom approach, whereas modern marketing based on bottom to top approach. Specifically, we are focused on neuroscience research on our target customer, who is called our subject of marketing research. By various aspects of our target customers, who are the one of the prime stakeholder for the survival, growth, development, expansion, stability of business. That's why all the business structure primarily depend on what your numbers of customer you make, how many number of customer you make loyal for your product, how they are permanent, how you going to develop their bonding, how to develop the bonding with your target customers, how repeatedly your target customer buying your products. This type of all question has to be answered successfully by gathering scientific informations. Then only a company in the age of globalizations, when whole world is become a single market and there is an intense competitions in particular product and service market, thousands and millions of players, marketers, producers brought their products, and their product may be heterogeneous or homogeneous, but they are targeting to their particular segment of customers according to the income group, age, and social and religious status. So today, job of marketing is very, very tough and complex. Though we know that marketing is a multidisciplinary subject and field, because when we study marketing, the subject matter of marketing is very much related, and where the psychology, sociology, economics, geography, this subject is highly contributed to the preparations and development of the subject matter of marketing. That's why you call it is multidisciplinary. So there is a less chance of involvement of sciences, biological sciences, life sciences in marketing curriculum earlier. But in the modern time, we are more use biosciences, physiology, human anatomy in the study and the formulation of marketing curriculum steps, approaches, and models. So, marketing practices nowadays are more scientific, more logical, more realistic than the past. As you know that psychology deals with mind, studying of mind, human mind, the subject is called psychology, whereas the neurosciences is a study of human brain. And now we are more focused on brain than mind. So that's why the importance of neuroscience and the knowledge of neuroscience become more crucial in the application of marketing approaches, principles, and practices. So the new challenges in the field of marketing is that how a small, medium, large company can switch over from traditional marketing tools, process and procedures, approaches to the modern tools of marketing, how they can approach to a target customer in a scientific, more practical manner so that their ultimate objective of profit maximization, market expansion, stability can be ensured. That's why there is a continuous research going on across the world in the marketing lab of the company by use of various kinds of science and technological tools. How best possible manner scarce resources, man and material resources can be utilized for maximum benefits, return and outcome. So now the companies is more focused on outcome based marketing rather passive marketing tools and techniques were more aggressive, more active tools or techniques applied for the marketing management. All set of marketing tools, policy programs, design and develop is very sophisticated manner by the company with the help of body of experts who done extensive research and explosive brainstorming activities in the marketing lab to understand, anticipate their target customer consumption's behavior with the help of brain mapping of their target customer. So the neuro marketing now is more common in the neuroeconomy. Now we are talking about neuroeconomy. Neuroeconomy is an interdisciplinary field at the border of neurosciences and the economy, which main aim to develop neuronal model for decision making, process and practices of economic policy for maximum social welfare. Because each and every economy is suffering from scarcity of the resources. And there is no balance between means and end. How limited available resources can be utilized in a best possible manner to provide maximum benefit to the largest section of the people. How to develop their social and economic status. How to resolve various existing issues and challenges of the economy, like developing economy, facing poverty, unemployment, malnutrition, health and education issues. These all challenges, issues and problems, particular or general, can be addressed by borrowing the knowledge of neurosciences in a best manner or through the practical approaches. I hope you can follow my lecture. What kind of changes or trends coming or upcoming in the field of marketing management? If you have any queries, if you want to know the details regarding these emerging issues and the field of marketing, we will go for the further series of lecture related to this topic, and I hope you will be better understand when you follow up the lecture patiently and note it down, chalk out the lecture, and there should be a relative approach of listening and understanding these videos. So hope you will do well in future. Thank you. We will be come back with the new videos, new lecture in future. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you all.